Hello friends, greetings from Iceland. There is a volcano erupting. I reached the Eurasian side. You see there is a tectonic rift valley here, and now I understand how the things work, but currently I am on the Eurasian side, and that's where the people are. They are standing on the other side of the valley, on the American side. Yeah, that's the crowd is on the American side, you see, and then you walk through this vast valley, which is a tectonic rift valley, just like in Thingvellir National Park. And on both sides of the valley you have the fissures, like the earth in between is sinking down. So this is a tectonic gap between Eurasian and American tectonic plates. So we arrived in Eurasia. This is the border of Eurasia, you can say that. And there you see volcano erupting. The jets are very high. You see how high the jets are. Today I'm fully prepared because I have all the equipment and drone working, charged batteries. So we will come somewhat closer and then we will fly around, film everything so that you could know what is going on. But for now you see the jets, and yeah, so far I met only one hiker by now. Yesterday there were more hikers hiking this road, this trail. Today it's got there are lots of smoke going towards Keflavik. Not really Vogar. Vogar is okay. Okay, it's clear towards Reykjavik. The smoke is going direction to the airport in that area. You see the steam clouds. So don't worry about me. I'm safe here. There is a trail, as I told you, but the trail goes somewhat further west. I didn't even bother to look for it. I just take a shortcut and walk straight. It's not that bad actually here. This training ground of American army was somewhat further to the west. So my plan is to come some 2 kilometers from the crater maybe, and then I just launch a drone, film it and walk back. There's no wind today. It's a great weather like yesterday, also no wind, so it's a big plus, because sometimes you have strong winds and then you can't really fly, or rain. There you see the volcano erupting. Oh, there are more people walking there, you see. Yes. Two jets erupting like yesterday. The one to the left is bigger, and it reminds me of Fagradalsfjall, Gelngadalur in spring, in its early phase. So far this is the largest eruption of all 6 that took place north of Grindavik, and also the biggest in terms of the lava volume. Lava covered already 15 square kilometers, and it's likely to erupt for some time. You see lots of gases. It's the most gaseous eruption of all, that it shoots lava so high. Those are the gases that are driving it up. So it's kind of special, different from the other eruptions. See how high the jets are. Real lava fountains. I keep walking not to lose the brightness, because it's soon will start to get dark. All the best.